In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this animated pixel material in 4 minutes. Let's add some array modifiers for the XYZ axes. Let's apply the top 2 modifiers. Tab, to go to edit mode, and type P, to separate by loose parts. In object mode, type M, to put them into a collection. If we type M in edit mode, Blender will open a merge option. Let's adjust the height of each cube like this. Let's take a look at the material. Here are the full nodes. I have created a 100 frames long animation, by animating the distortion factor of the noise texture node like this. I'm using Eevee with Bloom. On frame 1, hover the cursor over distortion and type I, as in India, to set a new keyframe. On the last frame, change the distortion value to 10, and set a new keyframe. This is the result. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.